Hello everyone, we have chosen Ripple as the topic of today's video. This is because there has been a positive news flow about Ripple in recent days. Especially last month, the court had decided that the sales of Ripple to individual investors in July were not considered securities, while sales to institutional investors were evaluated under securities laws. This decision was interpreted as a partial victory for Ripple. Ripple's price had increased by 100% within a few hours. However, it couldn't sustain this gain from last month until today. Nevertheless, there have been positive developments in Ripple in recent days once again. Ripple successfully obtained a digital asset license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Therefore, we decided to perform an up-to-date Ripple analysis using the CryptOrbX trading platform. Let's go to the portfolio analysis page in the analysis menu and conduct a risk-return analysis of Ripple. In the Ripple risk-return analysis, we can see that it falls into the high-return high-risk category, which we refer to as the second zone. However, it is closer to the return curve, meaning that our return is higher compared to the risk we are taking. Now, let's look at the beta analysis. The beta coefficient is a ratio that measures the investment asset's position relative to the market. In the beta analysis, we also see that it falls into the high-return low-risk category. Now, let's examine the Sharpe ratio. The Sharpe ratio is another ratio that measures return against risk. If this ratio is higher than other coins, it is assumed that the return will be higher. As you can see, this ratio is extremely positive. Ripple's portfolio analysis results received a full score. Now, let's dive into more details. Let's look at the indicators in the analysis menu. We can see that, except for the low periods, Ripple is in a very good position. Almost all of them are in a rising position. Now, let's go to the trend analysis page. In the long term, there is no trend signal yet, but medium-term time frames confirm the uptrend. There is an increase in the number of strong uptrends. Finally, let's check the current status of our algorithmic bots. Do Orbix and Orbis bots have any signals? Orbix has opened a long position, but there is no signal in Orbis yet. With the arrival of the Orbis signal, we can consider opening a new position in Ripple. Finally, let's look at our support and resistance levels. Because before opening a position, we must determine the profit and loss amount that we will accept in advance. We enter our support and resistance page. As you can see, the support and resistance levels determined for all periods are in front of us. You just need to look at the relevant row for the time frames in which you will be trading. We conducted a Ripple analysis using the CryptOrbX trading platform that we developed with the motto "No emotions, just mathematics" in cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for watching us.